a big thank you to someone who gifted me this. Why am I showing it off? I mean, the quality in this one is really, really amazing. The stitching, very detailed, and it's a brand from Australia, Kooringal. They do have a website, KOORANGAL, and thank you to that special someone who gifted me this. You put this, you suddenly become Steve-O and this alligator in there. Whoa, let me go and touch it. Wow, that's a young one right here. Now look at those patterns. That's beautiful. Very ferocious, right from a young age. And they can grow up to 10 foot long. And man, their bite power is about 2,000 pounds per square inch. You don't want to mess that around. I'm gonna let you go, mate. See you around, buddy. That's cool.